Ay, di na ako takot sa'yo. How? Fast as possible. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, anong nangyari? Oh my gosh. Hala. Okay. Okay na siya. Okay, guys. We're gonna continue. And we're gonna try to make it to night 14. Yes. That's right. Can we? Yeah, okay. Let's go. Kaya ko to, guys. Wait, ang lakas pala. Kaya ko to, guys. Promise. Hindi ako matatakot, guys. Okay. Bulaga! Oh! Sino naman to? Good evening. I was just passing by and noticed the lights on. May I come in? What? Ba't siya papasok? I'm a traveler with an interest in old houses. This one is incredible. Do you think? Why? Every place has had its secrets, and you just have to know where to look. What secret do you think this house has? Secrets that can change. Oh! Sige guys, nagmamadali ba kayo? Wait lang. Where's my cat? No, he's up there. Hindi tayo matatakot. Hi. Hello, Oreo. Kaya natin to, guys. What is wrong with you? Okay, di na ako takot. No. Secret. Ay, di na ako takot sa'yo. Yes! Yes! Meow, meow, meow. Meow.
How to speak cat lesson.
Di na ako takot, guys. Over nothing. Kaya ko to. Kaya ko to.
We have noticed several cases of full body paralysis.
What the? Oh no. Guys, nilalak ba natin ang windows natin, guys? Lang guys, I changed my mind. Natatakot na pala ako. Close it, and then open. Oh. No. Oh, close. Oh. Lang guys. Please lang po, ayoko. Sino ka naman? Wala po kaming yelo. Wala. Babae mo, dito. Hey, pretty man. Got some sugar in this tea. What if I let her in? Wait lang. Guys, ang bilis nila magsalita. Ha! Oh, ano ba? Ayoko na.
Run now! Run now!
Wala po akong sprint. Guys, hindi ata ako makakaabot. Ay, pwede! Woo! No, 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 no. Yeah, bilisan mo yan. Ayoko yan. Kuzma. Do I have to hide? Ano ba to? Please po, tama na. Tama na po. Charot lang po yan. Charot lang yan, guys. Ayoko na. Wala ka dyan. Mamamatay kaya ako? Kapag may pinapasok ako? Ito na naman. Good evening again. I couldn't stay away. This house. Ah! What the fuck? Ano yan? Introduce me. Ano yun? What do you want? Only a chat? But this house, it hides things, doesn't it? What are you talking about? Secret buried deep. I'm not a fast reader. No, I'm not. Ming, protektahan mo ko, Ming. Please. Pam. Hey. So like country music. Yay. Okay. Take a bath. Kuya, tama ka na, kuya. And she cries. Oh, stop. Pap. Charot lang, guys. Yung sinabi ko hindi ako matatakot. Charot lang yan. Charot lang yan, guys. Charot lang. Huwag ka na, kuya. Huwag ka na. Pumapasok na siya sa bahay, guys. Ayoko na. Ayoko na.
We have known it.
Huh? Ba't kina-cut off niyo yung mga tao dito, guys? Ano naman? Tama yan. What if may pinapasok tayo? What if lang naman? Pwede. Good evening, my child. I see you have been strong. How are you feeling? So scared. It is natural to feel fear, but do not let it control you. There's more to this darkness than meets the eye. How do I do that? Focus on the light within you, the boiled one, as it knows has been influencing the world for a long time. Popcorn. Guys, ayoko kay boiled one, guys. Nakakainis na siya. Hindi siya nakakatuwa. Gotta watch my back. Tignan niya. Ayun. Saan ko ito ilalagay? Sa'yo na lang. Eh, wait. Wala. Tama siya. Okay. Where is my cat? Let's do this as fast as possible. Ah! Oh! Ah! Wait, do I have to hide? Gagi. Hindi siya umaalis, be. Hindi siya umaalis. I'm scared. Stop. Hindi siya umaalis. Hahaha. Haha. Hahaha. Haha. Haha. Please po. No jump scares. Please, please. Hahaha. Two more. Please. Wait lang po, guys. Walang kumakatok ngayon. Nice. Stop. I'm not serious. Get out. Holy moly. Kanaya. Gagi, nakakatakot. Ang pangit niya. Grabe. Pangit niya, be. Sige! Bibirahin kita, ya. Ang pangit niya. Oh, wait. Okay, hurry. We have to hurry. Come on. Nababaliw ako, guys. Wait lang. Una po. Baka makabird ako. Wait lang po. Guys. Wala ko narinig. Wala. Ayoko na. Guys, huwag niyo kayo copyright. This is made up. Hello, I'm Lucas, your neighbor from 2 streets down. I've had strange dreams about you. We need to talk. A dream? Doesn't matter if you believe it or not, but you've seen slowly falling down to the dark pit. In the end, you could do nothing but wait for your end. But in the end, there was light. There is a way to escape your doom. How? Huh? I kind of forgot. It's a dream, and we always forget them. I'll try to remember. Stop! Please. Please do. I need help. Maybe I'm just hungry. What? You're just gonna leave me? That is so sad. That is so sad. He just left me. Guys, nagpapanik na ako. I don't wanna do this anymore. Please, huwag ka muna magpakita. Yeah. Iniwan niya lang ako, guys. Tama yan. Pag ako namatay ko, may kasalanan. Ayoko na, guys. Ba't ko ba kasi ito nilaro? Po! Wait lang! Sorry, guys. Sorry. Can you feed the cat too? Where's the cat? God. Pag yan, kinuha mo ang aking pusa, mawawala ka, kuya. Pangit ka na nga, kahit car stealer ka pa. Okay, guys. Tapusin lang natin to and then we're gonna go. Wala ko nakikita. Ang pangit niya, gagi. Pero he's scary though. Kanaya. Ama ka na. Please. Wag ka na. Wag ka na, babe. Wag ka na. It was nothing I can do this. Okay. Bilis! Kakain na kami. Bilis. No, wala. Let's go. Okay, guys. Ayoko na. Try natin maka ano sa 20 next time. Goodbye.